Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious fried egg curry with potato. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 6 large eggs, 2 medium-sized potatoes, and 1 large onion. Don't forget your ginger garlic paste, 2 ripe tomatoes, and a couple of green chilies for that perfect kick. We'll also use common spices like turmeric and chili powder, plus cooking oil and salt. Next, let's prepare our eggs and potatoes. Boil your 6 eggs until they are hard, then carefully peel them. Make a few small slits on each egg to help absorb the curry flavors. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and fry the eggs until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Then, peel and dice your 2 potatoes into 1-inch cubes and fry them in the same oil until tender and lightly browned. Now, let's build the heart of our dish, the curry base. In the same pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil and sauté your chopped onion until it becomes translucent. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1½ teaspoons of chili powder, mixing well. Finally, incorporate your 2 pureed tomatoes and cook until the oil begins to separate from the mixture. For the grand finale, let's bring everything together. Gently add your fried eggs and potatoes to the simmering curry base. Pour in about 1 cup of water, bring it to a gentle boil, and then let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Just before serving, stir in 1 teaspoon of garam masala and a generous sprinkle of fresh cilantro. Serve this delightful fried egg curry hot with steamed rice or your favorite Indian bread.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.